2:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a large nuclear device was detonated at Boston City Hall. Massive damage to the city of Boston has been confirmed, and a large amount of radioactive fallout is spreading across the state. At this time, all residents of Essex, Middlesex, Norfolk, and Suffolk counties are advised to shelter in place immediately. Sheltering in place requires you to go immediately indoors, close all windows and doors, turn off all ventilation such as heating and air conditioning systems, and seal all cracks with tape or wet towels. It is also advised that you get inside a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Place as many objects between yourself and the outside as possible. Gather an emergency supply of food, water, clothing, medications, flashlights with extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio. Tune to local news media outlets for further information. Do not exit your shelter until authorities give the all clear. All other residents of Massachusetts are advised to stay in their homes and avoid traveling at all possible. Repeating, at 2:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a nuclear device was detonated at Boston City Hall, and radioactive fallout is spreading across the state. All residents of Essex, Middlesex, Norfolk, and Suffolk counties are advised to shelter in place immediately. Tune to local news media outlets for further news and information on the situation.
Fight for the top of your my down evacuation last time, and why is there a shelter place a few minutes ago? Let's check on my Tesla TV. There's evacuation. What? Ow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. A hostage situation.
My radio's slack.
5 terrorists people hostage are now threatening to detonate a massive nuclear device if their demands are not met. Although authorities have not confirmed the presence of the all residents of Boston are advised to evacuate the city immediately. Residents are advised to go to evacuation shelters being set up outside of the warning area. They'll leave the city limits by at least 1 mile. Please remain calm and bring your own supplies. Tune to 96.9 FM for further information and for locations of these shelters. If you are not in the Boston area, stay where you are. Do not use the telephone or cell phones except for emergencies. Repeating, 5 terrorists have taken 37 people hostage at the Boston City Hall and are threatening to detonate a massive nuclear device if their demands are not met. Police are asking for the complete evacuation for the city of Boston. Residents are advised to proceed to evacuation shelters being set up outside the warning area. The location of these shelters.
No.
Further emergency information will be broadcast at 96.9 FM. If you are not in the Boston area, stay where you are. Do not use the telephone or cell phones except for emergencies. Please stay tuned to local news media outlets for the latest updates on this emergency situation.
Well then.